Hi everyone, Mrs. Bazan here. I have my two daughters with me. This is Amelia. How old are you, Amelia?
5.
And this is Ophelia. How old are you, Ophelia?
2.
Very good. And today we're going to read this book, Pete the Kitty and the Case of the
Hiccups.
Yes. Okay. All right. This is written by James Dean. You guys might be familiar with some of these books, like the Pete the Cat books. They're always really fun to read. So we're going to read Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? There's lots of ways to stop hiccups, don't you think?
Yeah.
Let's see what Pete does. Pete asks Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Can you guys show me how to stand on one foot? Millie, do you want to show? All right, so let's see if your hiccups would go away if you had hiccups.
Okay.
Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups.
Hiccup.
You can go ahead and sit down. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and..."
Down.
Very good. Scoot back a little bit so they can see you. Are your hiccups going away, Pete? Are they going away?
No.
Let's see.
Hiccup.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete
Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup.
still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song."
Okay.
Can you sing a song?
Mine.
Twinkle, twinkle, hit it.
I can do this. 1 foot. Hop up and down. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I want.
Did your hiccups go away, Pete?
Hiccup.
Uh-oh. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups.
Hiccup.
Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. All right, ready, Millie? It's a lot of stuff this time. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly,"
Okay.
says Bob.
Up and down.
Pete does it.
Okay.
All right, let's see if you can remember everything.
Okay.
Stand on one foot, hop up and down, sing a song, and rub your belly.
Okay. Hop up and down. Sing a song.
I can't see you. Scoot back.
Okay. Hop up and down. Rub your belly. And do well. Okay.
She already forgot everything.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder.
Are your hiccups gone yet?
Hiccup.
Oh no. Pete asks his mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. You take a deep breath. Ready? Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Do you think his hiccups went away? Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits.
The hiccups are gone.
They go away, Ophelia?
Mm-hmm.
The hiccups are gone! Uh-huh. It says, "Moms are so smart." And that's the end. So thank you for watching. Everyone say thank you.
Thank you.